Everyone thought I was with someone out there, and I was like,
chat, and us cousins were all like, "Who are you with?
I was like, who's taking your pictures?"
Yeah, actually, I like it like that.
Yeah? I think I've got a clip somewhere actually.
No one can talk to me. What's next? My I want to like see in the light now. Oh my god, I feel so short. We are in the IV right now. I don't know if you can see, but the IV. I don't know. I'm still taking my time. Amazing food. Is it even cream? No. You know this is like here, German. We're from the ghetto. I have nuts in my bread. Very nice. It's not. I think it's very nice with the watermelon in it. It's very nice. Watermelon. Yeah. So mum had a salad with duck, watermelon, ginger, courgettes, beautiful cashew nuts. Very nice. My mum's birthday today. Mine is well, today's the 16th. Mine is the 18th of March. And yeah, I hope I don't get copyrighted. I've just finished my dish. Salmon, crab. Maybe this one smells good. So I've got salmon, crab. You know, black people love pepper. Crab. People like to stare. I don't understand. That was great. Spicy, but great. I'm waiting for my main. So guys, I know I haven't really been recording much content recently, but like I said, I'm just burping, damn. Like I said, it's my mum's birthday. Mine's in 2 days. It is the 16th of March. And Our birthday's on the 18th. And oh, my food. I think my food is here. So I got monkfish curry with jasmine rice, and my mum got sweet potato. Oh, girl, no, I gotta go. I like them, these little things. I don't like the taste. Hey guys, we are in the Ivy. I'm actually in the bathroom right now. My mum's in the toilet. We literally just finished our meal, and I know I actually didn't do an intro for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, this is a birthday vlog. Crazy. And yeah, is that my hair? Nice to go toilet, darling. Coronavirus. Got tissue. Rich people tissue. We're taking the tissue. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I sound a bit husky right now because I'm actually in a rush to go do my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are not looking fabulous. I got bags. Ooh, girl, your girl needs to sleep. Look, 1, 2, 3, no. But my mum told me about this lady based in Dollis Hill, and she does eyebrows. My mum's eyebrows look banging. I don't think anyone could like understand how banging they look. They look permed, but hopefully they're not permed because I wouldn't want to perm my eyebrows. But I'm gonna go do the whole shebang today. Hopefully she does bank transfer because your girl don't have no cash. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My birthday's tomorrow. As you guys know, my mom's birthday was yesterday. And yeah, I just want to put this out there, guys. I haven't been vlogging as much. I've been going through so much. It's unbelievable. You wouldn't know. But I'm going to try to be consistent this year because I feel like my life experiences could be relatable to some people out there. So soon I'm going to be making more videos, more content, you know, just for you guys. And hopefully you guys can relate from what I'm going through, because sometimes I do want to hear other people's opinions and advice. But yeah, and my appointments now, look at the time. My train is moving very slow. I got my tea. As you guys know, the coronavirus is out. I went to go buy masks from the chemist, and they were all sold out. All of them have sold out now. Now I'm even more panicking because my chemist is not a chemist that sells out stuff. Sold out. So now I gotta order me some masks. I'm actually kind of bugging. Also, my hair is a mess, on the right-hand side, but I'm gonna be getting it done today. If I like it or not, I'll get it done today. Anyway, let's go. So guys, I'm actually at the place now. It's actually so cute and the lady's so nice. I got permission to record, so I'm going to be recording my whole eyebrow treatment. I'm so excited, so excited. But yeah guys, should be good. This is my eyebrows without tint. Okay. Yeah, the shape looks really good. Oh my god, you look stunning. Thank you. So guys, I got the clean front over my eyes. The experience is going well so far, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. That shit scared me. I know.